I know.
We need to do the what you call. Who we think gonna be the drunkest? Okay. The little TikTok. Look at her tilt nose.
So what we gotta say? My name's Cameron, and I think that Shanice. Okay, wait. All right. So you ready? My name is Cameron, and I think that Shay is gonna be the drunkest.
Wow, that's insane. That's insane.
My name is Shanice. Y'all know me. Shy. Hi.Itsshy. I feel like my sister Cameron, she gonna be the drunkest. All right.
It's on me.
What up, cuzzo?
Oh, what up? My name is Antonio, and I think Grandma's gonna be the drunkest. I think Grandma's gonna be the drunkest.
Stupid, man.
My name's Lane, and I think Cameron gonna be the drunkest.
Yeah, my niece done invited her whole school out here. Oh man, I forgot something.
So fat.
You might see them horse ring, though.
So fat.
We'll get them in a little bit. Yeah, we'll get them in a little bit. Let's get everything right. Bring them back. So, like, that's your jewel. Stop praying on your name.
Hello?
Oh no, yeah, hold on. You gotta give me a sec. Ooh, yes, I do. Yes, I do. It's recording.
Hold on. All right, go ahead.
You can follow me. My name is Shay, and I think her mama knows. Your mother.
My name is April, and I think Tony is gonna be the drunkest.
Oh my God. Yeah, they done cleared. Oh boy. I hold my boy head like
They just wanna fuck with you. 'Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end?
y'all probably can't hear me.
I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you're I know I've been away. Just trying to get my mind straight. I really want you to work. Just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my shit away. Just trying to get my mind straight.
Tell you.
But I would never lie to you.
Got the thing in
Just spray on my gun, I'm looking all kinds of new. So you know what I love you, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away.
y'all do today? What y'all been up to? Yeah, they don't want to talk. Hold on, we fix my head.
They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you.
He was supposed to have it.
If I put my trust in you,
He got money to be able to sit back and get drunk.
what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my mind straight.
She's talking about heel.
Don't give my shit away.
She's talking about heel. Jam out here.
I know I've been away. Just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away.
We need to walk out. That's it. Wow.
Boy, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Spray on my gun,
Yeah,
looking all kinds of
he was already about to die.
So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. Don't give my shit away.
I'll be telling people.
They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. Don't give my shit away.
You don't want to talk to us later.
I know I've been away. Don't give my shit away.
Wait. I think we might have ours in the trunk. I think we got the AirPods. Unless the turn took it out. Darcy.
Boy, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Spray on my gun, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight, girl. Don't give my shit away.
Well, you guys, well, everybody, we're packing up, we're leaving. It's the time. The kids coming to our house, y'all. They finna be feeding for themselves. I'm just talking. Y'all, they go over there putting stuff up, honey. Yeah. We're packing up, we're leaving right now, y'all. Let me get out the way before I get hit. All the kids coming to our house. Y'all gonna burn up, leave that door open. Yeah, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Today has been a very eventful day. Y'all loading up, you ready to go?
I'm playing on your name.
What a day, y'all. It's been a day. I done sobered up now. I really can go for another round now, but I'm not. Cause I just do my 1-2, have my good time, and that be it for me. So yeah, look at my baby. Yeah, look at my baby.